What is up, guys? Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to share your screen in a call in Slack. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Slack or slack.com. After that, you will see the first official website of Slack. Simply give it a click, and after clicking, you will be welcome to this page of Slack. Now, if you are new to Slack, on the right side here, you will see the option of login or sign in. Just simply sign in with your email and password. After that, you have logged in or signed in. Just simply create a new workspace and then your workspace will appear here. As you can see, this is my workspace and I will just simply click on launch Slack. So it will launch my workspace. And remember guys, you can create as many workspace as you want on Slack. After that, you will be redirected to the home page of Slack. Now from here, you can choose your channels or direct messages. As you can see, I don't have any channels. And if I had a channel, all the notifications would be also visible on this new channel for all. So in this all section, let's say I want to share my screen. So on the right side at the top, you can see this headphones option, and then you can see this arrow. Click on this arrow and then click on Start Huddle. Now this Huddle for sharing screen and going on a call. So as you can see, I started a live, and from here you can see the option of share screen, which is the desktop icon. When I'll click on this, it will ask me what I want to share. Like I want to share the entire screen or an entire window. After that, I can just simply select and click on share. So it will share my screen in a call in Slack. So this is how you can share your screen in a call in Slack. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you.